Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Rack and pinion steering is a crucial component of modern vehicles, providing responsive and precise steering control. It involves a gear assembly consisting of a rack, which is a straight bar with teeth, and a pinion gear, which is a small round gear. The system works by converting a revolving motion into linear motion, allowing the driver to easily turn the wheels, providing efficient and precise control over the vehicle's direction. The rack and pinion gear assembly is the central component of the rack and pinion steering system. When the driver turns the steering wheel, the pinion gear rotates. As the pinion gear turns, it engages with the rack, causing the rack to move either to the left or right. This rack motion is transmitted to the wheels through the tie rods connected to the rack's ends. As a result, the wheels turn in the desired direction. The ratio between the number of teeth on the pinion gear and the rack length determines the steering ratio. A higher steering ratio means less steering wheel input is required to turn the wheels, providing a more responsive and agile steering feel. Conversely, a lower steering ratio requires more steering wheel input for the same wheel movement, resulting in a slower and less sensitive steering response. Power steering assistance is incorporated in some rack and pinion steering systems to reduce the effort required to steer the vehicle. Power steering can be hydraulic or electric, depending on the specific system design. Hydraulic power steering systems utilize a hydraulic pump, typically driven by the engine, to generate hydraulic pressure. This pressure assists in the movement of the rack and pinion gear assembly, making steering easier for the driver. Advantages of rack and pinion steering include: precise steering response. Rack and pinion steering offers direct and responsive control, providing better handling and maneuverability. Compact design. The rack and pinion mechanism is more compact than other steering systems, allowing for efficient use of space in the vehicle. Reduced friction. The design reduces friction, resulting in smoother steering and less wear on components. Improved fuel efficiency. The reduced friction and efficient design contribute to better fuel economy compared to other steering systems. Ease of maintenance. Rack and pinion steering is relatively easy to maintain and repair, making it cost-effective in the long run. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.